Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is August 10th. We've got the grain markets recovering today. Something a little different than what we've seen for the past few Mondays, but corn up about 4 cents, beans up 7.5 cents, with wheat up 3/4. So starting off a little better. A couple things coming down the pipeline that we need to be aware of. Wednesday, we've got a report out. Just a supply and demand report. The expectations, though, are to see tighter ending stocks and that we should see our carry-out smaller. And so I think when you look at what's happened over the last several weeks with us finding pressure across the grain markets, we're finding some short covering right now going into that report. We may even see a little bit more as we get closer to the report as well. Now, we're also going to have good to excellent ratings out a little bit later on this afternoon. They're trades actually feeling that we could see steady to maybe even lower as far as these ratings at 3 o'clock this afternoon. So watch for that as we get closer to that report this afternoon. But all trade will be on the eyes of what may end up happening on Wednesday's USDA supply and demand report. So other than that, not a lot of news out as far as the grains. No further export sales this morning to report. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get out of that. More excitement, though, out of the cattle. We did see cash cattle finish and trade actually about $3 higher, $150 in most live-based areas, $152 Nebraska. But that's about $3 higher. We're expecting to see probably some higher open this morning. Box beef, though, coming in stronger, too. Choice up 115, select up 117. So can we get a little bit more upside momentum out of cattle, but expect a higher start for this morning. Hogs, even though we've got our pork production running at very high levels, we continue to see the cash market, or start to see that continue to climb and find supported as retailers basically are buying for this Labor Day holiday. We did have cutout values up 117, but watch some of these resistance areas as well for hogs. We still have got some issues yet that we've got to get cleaned up. A big production, big supply issue there for hogs. But right now, the markets are working themselves a little bit higher. So we're expecting a little higher start for hogs this morning as well. Stock market up 122. Crude oil unchanged with $1 up 16. So not a lot of movement there. Our stock market, though, up 122 with the Chinese markets up about 5%. And finding some strength there, giving some support to just about all global markets. So give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.